Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to view your reliability history on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer. So this tutorial will apply for Windows 7 and Windows 8 computers as well. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up the search menu, type in Control Panel. Best result should come back with Control Panel. Go ahead and open that up. You want to go and select the view by up in the top right and select category view and select system and security on the left side. On the right side, you want to select security and maintenance. Expand the maintenance section and then select where it says view reliability history and give it a moment to generate the report here. And it should give you all the rundown of information you might be looking for on this page. It gives you various application, Windows, miscellaneous failures, as well as warnings and other information alerts here. And if you want a few technical details, you can go down this list here. You can make this window even a little bit wider. And you can view the technical details of what occurrence or what message on the screen here, what it meant. So a pretty straightforward process here, guys. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.